Mount Pangasugan. Relentless. Unforgiving.
10 out of 9. Alam ko, hindi pa kong librihan.
The last forest frontier of Eastern Visayas. Our team traveled from Cebu through a night boat trip to Baybay Leyte. Arrived at around 4 a.m. and waited at a fast food restaurant for our pickup while taking our early breakfast as well. There's also a nearby convenience store where we bought our water and trail foods. Then we headed to our jump-off point at Barangay Patag, where we had a quick orientation and prepared everything before we started our adventure. It started with a pretty normal and less shaded trail. The trail went smoothly until we reached the first river crossing, which is also our first water source. After enough rest time, we continued. It started with a pretty steep assault which we thought will only last for a few meters, but we're wrong. That's the start of our never-ending struggle on the trail.
Kawang master.
And up.
Shit. Saan naman yung nabog kamot?
Then, may kawin sa igbaw. Na, okay.
Whoop.
The trail is truly unforgiving. Multiple sharp ridges that you will have to traverse from one side to another. Unestablished trails that show how few are up to this challenge. And very soft soil that can bring you rolling down with improper footing.
Bato. Over. Bato.
Nga si Inso no, nga magsige man gina siya. Sige, picture, why picture right?
What thought to be our lunch stop became our campsite. Yes, we did an emergency camp. The second day of our 3 days hike felt a little lighter. It's our summit push and we left our loads at the campsite while packing just the day hike essentials. We started with a few minutes of river trekking before going on an all-out assault. Excitements turned into exhaustion, catching our breath every crawl and every bend. As we climb higher, the trail stands steeper and steeper and lesser to hold
Ngayon
on
ugat
to.
dire dapit oh.
Wala.
Oh.
Wala yung aabutin. Tak. Sarad.
Ugat ra.
Okay.
Abta.
Kasi,
Kanang ugat.
sige, abot na siya. So,
Mao na. Pugos sa pugong niya, ari-aring kaning sagbot na fern. Na. Ubos gid gunit. Kana.
A kilometer felt like miles of hike. We endured until we reached the ultimate test.
Grabe na gyud. Pinakalisod. Pinakakamang gyud. Kamang yun igmayo. Kamang. Oh.
A 90-degree wall that we had to climb. No much to hold on to except a very thin rope and few grass. This is the final test of my will to keep going. The struggle of going up doubled by the anxiety of how to go down that trail.
Tapuya.
Naiugat sila. Naiugat.
Ay, thank you.
we summited Mount Pangasugan!
Yay!
We reached the summit at lunchtime. Spent enough time to appreciate the view before going back down.
Scam ni Mer. Scam.
Balik pa ka. Balik na, oy. Nindot kay 90 degrees.
Hindi ako. Balag. Hindi pa kong librihan. Balik na. Di na ako balik.
Grounding na, master. Nag-grounding na ka.
Ha?
Grounding.
Connecting with Ewa.
Ni-connect na kang Ewa. Kaputan na kadayog ko, ano na.
Mga ugat-ugat at mga puti.
Kaka-avatar nyo yan.
Kakabatar.
The trail going down is equally demanding, even harder as we had to crawl backwards for some very steep sections.
Ganyan, naog. Misa 90 degrees. Yes, 90 degrees ang pangasugan. Taas kayo.
Kiss the soil.
We reached the campsite and had a very relaxing dip in the river below it.
Hey! Congratulations!
Never again.
Balik yapon.
Balikan?
Babalikan ba? Di na day.
Kwarta na.
Ay, buhat tayo sa barangay.
Testing mo na nila.
Ay, what's up?
A highlight of our night, as well, are the fresh catch by our guides from the river.
Ano yung mall? Wala ko na ikuan. Ako saan ang mall dara karon? 4 and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1.
Day 3 is equally exhausting. While carrying our heavy bags, we had to climb back to the ridge and descend in a very steep trail.
Wala agyanan daw diri pikas. Gamang. Okay. Aw. Yeah.
Ow.
The idea of being able to exit what's kept me going. All I want is to be able to reach the road and lay down in a soft bed and let my body heal and relax.
Yeah. Katikang rakante. Suba.
Nasuba na sad, trekking na sad.
This is by far the hardest climb of my mountaineering career. What we thought was normal climb turned out to be the most difficult and challenging trails we ever encountered.
Proud yun mong mama na.
Very worth it ang 90 degrees sa summit ha.
Congrats! Congrats guys! Asa to nasa agay?
Guys, saag ni guys.
Dead.
Kuha nila.
Ano One, two, three, go!
Nya pa picture ta guys, mulili lang ta sa camera.
Say ako ra to, ako i-capture na. I-capture na nako nga video.
But this life or death struggle created a bond between us. A connection I will forever carry in my heart.